Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you don't waste your hard-earned cash on junk. Today, we're comparing two drones that promise to take your aerial photography game to the next level. On the left, we have the IDEA brushless motor drone, and on the right, the Tamice drone with camera for adults 4K. Let's dive in and see which one deserves to be your new Sky Buddy. First up, the price. The IDEA comes in at $89, while the Tamice will set you back $99. So if you're counting your pennies, IDEA might just win this round. But hey, $10 is just 2 lattes at Starbucks, right? Or one if you're a fan of those fancy unicorn fraps. Anyway, let's see if that extra tenner is worth it. Both drones boast a 4K camera, but let's peel back the specs. IDEA has a Sony sensor with a 90 degrees FOV, while Tamice offers a 110 degrees FOV. So if you want to capture every single leaf on that tree, Tamice has got you covered. But hey, IDEA is not too shabby either, giving you ultra-high-definition photos and videos. Reviewers have praised Tamice for its camera's wide field of view, while IDEA is noted for its good resolution and practical use. Now, let's talk power. IDEA flexes its muscles with a brushless motor that can hit speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. That's faster than your grandma's mobility scooter on turbo mode. Tamice also rocks a brushless motor with 4 wind resistance levels, making it perfect for those windy beach days. Reviewers commend both drones for their motor power, but note that Tamice might be better for windy conditions. Obstacle avoidance. Because nobody likes crashing their new toy into a tree. IDEA offers 360 degrees laser scanning to dodge obstacles like a pro ninja. Tamice, on the other hand, has an optical flow positioning system for accurate hovering indoors. Reviewers have mixed feelings about IDEA's obstacle avoidance, citing occasional failures, while Tamice is praised for its indoor stability. Battery life, because nobody wants their drone dying mid-flight like a bad plot twist. IDEA comes with two 3.7 volts 1200 mAh modular batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. Tamice buys? Well, they didn't specify, so we're assuming it's either a mystery or they're too embarrassed to say. IDEA wins this round by default. Reviewers have noted that IDEA's battery life can sometimes be shorter than advertised, while Tamice generally gives around 20 minutes, but struggles with finding replacement batteries. Both drones feature a foldable design and come with a carrying case, making them easy to transport. Tamice is a bit lighter, weighing in at less than 250 grams, so you can skip the FAA registration hassle. IDEA is a bit bulkier, but still portable. Reviewers appreciate Tamice for its lightweight design, while IDEA is noted for its durability despite the extra weight. Customer service. Because when things go south, you need someone to blame, right? IDEA has been around since 2016, promising high-quality products and long-term service. Tamice assures you that their customer service reps are always available to help with your first-time drone user woes. Reviewers have had mixed experiences with both brands, but generally find IDEA's service prompt and Tamice's service satisfactory. Overall, reviewers find the IDEA brushless motor drone to be a reliable and well-built option, particularly for beginners, despite some issues with battery life and obstacle avoidance. The Tamice drone with camera for adults 4K is praised for its camera quality and ease of use, but some users have faced challenges with battery replacements and durability. Both drones have their strengths and quirks, making them solid choices depending on your specific needs. So there you have it, folks. the IDEA brushless motor drone and the Tammy's drone with camera for adults 4K. Both have their strengths and quirks, but at the end of the day, the choice is yours. Whether you're looking for speed, camera quality, or just something to show off to your friends, you can't go wrong with either. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!